10 reasons jewelry makes all of us happy. We cannot buy happiness, an old school saying we have heard so often. But now this quote has been modified a little bit, and the new one is, we cannot buy happiness, but we can surely buy jewelries, which is kinda kin. It is said that women are so much obsessed with jewelry, such a misconception. The reality is, jewelries hold a special place in their heart. It's a piece which makes everyone happy and blissful. Such is the charm of jewelries, no matter what it is made up of: copper, gold, silver, diamond, or platinum. Each and every jewelry is special and unique in its own way. There is no doubt that jewelries ameliorate and amplifying one's glamour and beauty. For some, it exemplifies affluence and prestige. For some, it's a form of craft and creativity. For some, it's a part of their ancestral culture, practices, and norms all over the world. The practices and norms include jewelries in weddings and different customs, ubiquitous in different parts of the world. Jewelries also holds pious significance, and it's a salient part of people's life. It is said that humans are social animals and that they find themselves attached and build fond memories even with non-living things. It is evident of people to feel particular and be jovial about their tiny or grand pieces of artifacts. Jewelries are a way to correlate with people and be versed about their cultural significance, since each and every jewelry has a story to tell and enlightening us with its sage. They assume the role of eternal love, positive vibes, enthusiasm, warmth, and affinity, making us feel more and more happy and jolly. If you haven't subscribed till now, you're definitely missing a lot. Subscribe now and turn on the bell notifications to get upcoming updates, because there is a lot more to come. So, number 1. Jewelry is a bridge to the happy memories. When someone gives us a piece of jewelry that can be on any magnificent and adorable occasion, then every time we wear that, it reminds us of that particular person and the occasion. We think of that happy moments with him or her. We are reminded of that alluring moments when we receive the piece, how wonderful we felt. All the love and closeness between the two of us folds back. Even if we buy it, it certainly reminds us of the occasion on which we have bought it and jewelry drug us into someone's memories, like the engagement ring, which becomes the reason for our lifelong happiness and ecstasy. Jewelry doesn't replace the love, of course, but it's a strong physical reminder of that connection and a gleeful reminiscence. Number 2. Jewelry has a prominent role in gemology. Many people believe in wearing gems and stones, as they think they might help them be happy and prosperous in their lives. To exemplify, gold is believed to be anti-inflammatory and anti-aging. On the flip side of coin, silver is believed to control anger issues, promote strength and stamina, and fight infections and diseases. Some people wear amulets and other devotional metals to protect themselves of the evil eyes and negativity in their surroundings. Most men and women wear expensive stones such as sapphires, pearls, and rubies for peculiarity and charming possessions that it reflected through these stones. On the contrary side, many males and females wear it to show their prestige and honor. In addition to that, these people love to be popular and show that they are wealthy and have an extravagant social class. Number 3. Jewelry makes you feel as a stylist in the public eye. Some people love to style themselves with a perfect outfit and accessories. The accessories majorly include jewelries and footwears, and these make people more connected and allied with jewelries, which gives them utmost contentment. If we are not feeling happy with our outfit for the day, we can load on jewelry to make ourselves gleeful. No doubt jewelries are extremely beautiful and alluring. Such dazzling pieces are bound to make people happy and merry, be it men and women. We just have to wear jewelry on the days ending with Y to look fabulous and extraordinary. If we have revelry with anyone, don't forget that diamonds speak louder than words. So wear it and cheer yourself up. There are several musical bands which jewelry has pieced to symbolize not only the unity among themselves but also represents as the fashion icons. Jewelry is the spotlight of the event wherever they perform. Number 4. Jewelry can be something as an artistic display. Jewelries are often considered as extravagant artifacts. Not everyone can afford them, and since women have a lot of fondness for jewelries, they always desire to have a lot of them. But many women and girls don't feel good by asking for men to buy it. With determined and empowered women coming up in our society, they have proved that they don't need to depend on their boyfriend's or husband's money to buy it. They can purchase it on their own and can flaunt their piece of jewelry, which will conclusively make them elated and joyful. Furthermore, an amazing jewelry display can act as a decorative piece in our house. There are so many jewelry display ideas for crafts and shows that you can use. Number 5. Jewelry can be outlooked as currency, wealth display, and storage. In many cultures, there is a custom of possessing large amounts of wealth hoarded in the terms of jewelry. In diverse cultures, people mostly move their wedding dowries in the form of jewelry or making a killing with jewelry as a means to reserve or display coins. Alternatively, jewelry has been used as a currency or trade goods. Often, people buy gold jewelry to flaunt it as a sign of their wealth and can easily liquidate it in time of needs. Jewelry can be used in times when nothing is there to support the financial crisis. Many people use their jewelry to clear off their debts, especially in COVID-19 situation when people became jobless.